In this video, you will learn how to generate a talking AI avatar using a reference photo that you found on the internet, something like a celebrity or a person that you like. So let's go ahead and get started. Here on top, go to Product, go to Talking Avatar, and here you're just gonna hit Get Started. And here we're gonna hit Generate Avatar on the left-hand column. Okay, so we're gonna hit Generate Avatar. Here you have two options. You can either create an avatar using a text prompt, or you can reference an image. In this case, we're going to use this and hit Upload Image. And now we have already found an image that we want to use as a reference. We're going to hit that and hit Open. And this is the person that we want to use as the reference image. Hit Confirm. Now here you want to add some descriptions to what you want the avatar to do in the video. So here we basically wanted to keep in the center of the frame and making sure the hands stay out of the frame so it doesn't cover in and out of the face. And we want to also add some slight head movement to make it look natural. Now we're going to hit Generate Avatar.
Please click on the first link in the description to check out more content.
Now the lips isn't moving, and this is where we need to try another method. If you want to use a UGC content creator that's like an actual video with the lips moving, we can actually use that to create our... So in this case, we're going to upload an avatar video. Here we're going to hit Upload Footage, and we're going to hit Open. We're going to have her speak the same line. Please click on the first link in the description to learn more. And we're going to generate audio.
Please click on the first link in the description to learn more.
Okay, that sounds pretty good. Now here we're going to hit Generate Results.
Please click on the first link in the description to learn more.
Now here we can also upload a custom audio. So for this, I highly recommend using 11 Labs to create a authentic voiceover that you can upload and then combine that with our talking avatar. So let's head over to 11 Labs. You want to pick the voices that says HQ or live moderation, because those ones are the most realistic. So inside the library, you can actually find a lot of high quality word voiceovers. So here on top, we can select the language to narrow down our options. So here we're going to pick English, and we can select a bunch of options here. What you want to look out for is the ones that says HQ or live moderation. Those ones sounds the most realistic.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about all the latest news.
Wow, you guys, this is just amazing. It's going to make
So I like that one, so let's use this one. Simply hit Add, and it's going to add it to your library. So go over to text to speech. So let's select Brittany, and we're going to keep the model to be 11 Labs Multilingual version 2. And let's keep everything else as is. Now let's hit Generate Speech.
If you're interested, be sure to check the first link in the description.
Oh, wow, that sounds pretty good. Now we're going to hit Download and save it into our folder. Now let's hop over back to AKOOL. Now here, select Upload Audio and upload the file that we just got from 11 Labs. Here, select Open.
If you're interested, be sure to check the first link in the description.
And now let's combine this voiceover with this talking avatar.
If you're interested, be sure to check the first link in the description.
Oh, that looks pretty good. Now we can download this and use it in your faceless content, TikTok, Facebook ads, anything like that. And this is a powerful tool to easily create talking avatar without having to spend money hiring people on Fiverr or Upworks, and that will save you a lot of money. If you enjoy this content, be sure to like, and if you want to try out AKOOL, be sure to check out the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.